Hello. Today we're going to try to demystify works cited page entries using the MLA8 format. Yes, I said MLA8. Just when everybody was getting used to the MLA7 from 2009, they went ahead and published a redesigned system on April 1st of 2016. This new MLA manual insists that there are three principles under which it works. 1. Cite simple traits common to most works. 2. Remember that there is often more than one correct way to document a source. And 3. Make your documentation useful to readers. This new, more flexible MLA system was reworked with the digital age in mind. They try to address sources available through multiple formats. For example, how do you cite a song from a record originally published in the 1930s if you accessed it through iTunes yesterday? Because of this, the elements of the works cited entries have changed a little in this edition. There are 9 elements, but not all of them need to be used if the information is not available. Some of the elements are repeatable. They consist of author, title of source, title of container, other contributors, version, number, publisher, publication date, and location. The MLA is trying to make it easier to cite a source using what they call a few universal principles. The first element, called author, functions much the same as in MLA7. Last name first. If there are more than one author, then the others are normal, not last name first. If there are more than 3 authors, then just list the first author listed on the source and use the et al. Instead of all the names. The second element is the title of the source. If it is a large work, it should be listed in italics. If it is a part of a larger work, story, article, poem, etc., it should be placed in quotations. The third element is new, and it is called title of container. The container thingy refers to a larger work of which the source is a smaller part, like the aforementioned story, article, or poem, etc. This should also be placed in italics every time. There can be multiple containers listed, considering the example of the record from the 1930s accessed on iTunes. The record would be cited as a container, and so would iTunes. The fourth element is for other contributors. This could be for editors, compilers, translators, directors, performers, etc. This element depends largely on what emphasis you want to place on the entry. If you are quoting a character in a TV series, then you might choose not to list an author. Instead, you would list the episode name for the source, the name of the series for the container, and the featured actor as a performance by. There are lots of possibilities for this, so don't hesitate to look it up in the guide. Many of the old abbreviations, like ed, dir, or trans, have been eliminated. Now, they want you to write these things out. For the full list of the abbreviations they still use, please refer to the manual. The fifth element, other than being a pretty good movie by Luc Besson, is called version in MLA8. This refers to the edition of a book, a version of a movie like the director's cut, and the like. The sixth element is called number. This is used when citing periodicals that have volume and number designations, or if what you're citing is like a multi-volume set of something. The seventh element is for the publisher. MLA8 no longer requires the city of publication, unless it matters, like if there are differences in the books which were published in different cities. But the publisher in this instance can also be the publisher of the website where the information was found. The eighth element is the publication date. This is in normal MLA format of day, month, year, if you have it, though just the year is often appropriate. The last element is location. This would be the pages in the book cited, or maybe a website. MLA8 has a new way of listing pages. Now the pages will be preceded by a P if it's a single page, or 2 Ps if it is multiple pages. Well, this sums up some of the major points of the new system. We recommend getting a copy of the new manual or using the new MLA Style Center at https://style.mla.org/ which at the time this screencast was created was still under construction. Another great source for MLA style information is the Purdue OWL, but like the Style Center mentioned above, at the time this video was made, their sites had not yet been updated with the new information. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your citations.